Alright guys, there's something I really want to show you guys. So we have a C8 Corvette tuned and built by the Lingenfelter. Check it out. This is the C8 Stingray Lingenfelter built and tuned. This thing has a Magnuson Supercharger. I'm gonna show you momentarily. It's a convertible too, by the way. This thing has a Magnuson Supercharger, Lingenfelter tuned and built. It's got the aero kit right here. Guys, check it out. This is insane. You smell the E85? I'm kidding. I can't smell E85. I can't even smell it, to be honest. It's a C8 Spider, but it's a Magnuson Supercharged car. This thing is insane. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Just want to show you guys the carbon fiber weave right here. It's not bad. I like it. That's a diesel. So another thing about the C8, it's got Corsa exhaust system on it. Looks nice. I like this. I wish it was a center exhaust system, but they got the factory design over here going on, so. I am with Ken Lingenfelter. So what is done to the C8 Corvette?
Well, you know, as you can probably, and you probably heard, the engine management system on this car is completely encrypted.
Right.
So we had a little bigger challenge of adding a supercharger than we normally would. But,
right.
You know, our customers always want more. So,
of course,
we worked with Magnuson. We had to designed a different kind of a lid to fit underneath the bonnet on the back here.
Right on.
But this car makes 700 horsepower.
Is that to the wheel or is that to the crank?
It's to the crank.
To the crank, gotcha.
So as a result, you know, this is exactly from our perspective what the Corvette needed.
100%.
We're having a lot of fun with it. It's it's very, very fast, and this car normally sits on the Lingenfelter collection out in Brighton. So
right. Awesome. So is this car on pump gas or is it on E85?
Gas, yeah.
So it just has the Magnuson Supercharger, and of course it's recalibrated, retuned by you guys.
Well, you know, it's a question about how you say retuned. We can't tune cars like we did before.
Right.
The engine management system is very encrypted, so
especially with the C8s right now.
We've had to kind of massage this in, but it's working great. And,
gotcha.
No issues with it at all.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you for letting us know.
You're welcome.
All right, guys. Any questions about the C8 that has the Magnuson blower on it? Feel free to hit up Ken Lingenfelter. He's the owner. That's the contact information if you're interested if you have a C8 and you want to do a build with Lingenfelter, you're more than welcome to hit them up. This is their card right here. But yeah, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the C8 that has the Magnuson Supercharger on it. Let me know what you guys think. This thing, it sounds amazing, especially with the Corsa exhaust on it. Take a listen to it. Jesus. I'm guessing this comes out on its own.